Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of -0.30 for the cloud topic, which is notably lower than the historical average. This dip, combined with a momentum of +0.49, suggests a potential shift in how sentiment is evolving despite upward momentum. You'll find that the sentiment is unusually negative right now, which is worth your attention. When you use our API, it returns a comprehensive analysis that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and detailed semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of public perception. Imagine you're building a dashboard to monitor cloud service perceptions. This data can help you identify and react to shifts in sentiment before your competitors do. For more insights and integration details, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.